You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Dream is not the thing you see in sleep, but is that thing that doesn't let you sleep. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. If you fail, never give up, because FAIL means first attempt in learning. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy the success. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. When we tackle obstacles, we find hidden reserves of courage and resilience we did not know we had. And it is only when we are faced with failure do we realize that these resources were always there within us. We only need to find them and move on with our lives. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. All of us do not have equal talent. But all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. When our signature changes to autograph, this marks the success. A developed India by 2020 is not a dream. It should not be just a vision in the minds of Indians. It is a mission we can all take up and get success, but it is still a dream for all Indians.
The reality of your own nature should determine your speed. If you become restless, speed up. If you become tense and high-strung, slow down. Don't fear for facing failure in the first attempt, because even the successful math starts with 0 only. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place, that is, the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. What is the secret of success? Right decisions. How do you make right decisions? Experience. How do you gain experience? Wrong decisions. I firmly believe that unless one has tasted the bitter pill of failure, one cannot aspire enough for success.